Just tell me what to do. Tell me what you need. Tell me when you want it. Tell me, how you want it to play out, and boom, I'll just crank it out, right? And the guy was a total pro. He needed a lot of challenge, but not a lot of stability. Just give him a couple things and let him go, right? But the more challenging, the better. He would just crank it out. I mean, he was always the broad-shouldered person who could just make it happen. There were other people who needed, check-ins every day. You had to sort of like make sure that they have what they need. Hey, you doing okay? You feeling part of the conversations? Do you need to be a part of any other meetings? They needed more, I hate to say hand holding, but that was kind of what it felt like, right? But there's nothing wrong with it. It's just what they needed in order to make sure they were producing their best work. You need to know that as a leader, that mix of stability and challenge. When you get it right, then people are going to thrive on your team. But if you get it wrong, if the mix is wrong, then people are either going to feel stuck or they're going to feel angry, and you're going to be to blame, and they're probably going to leave at some point if you don't figure that out.